Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job leads video for you. This one is going to be for those of you who like non-phone jobs, data entry type jobs, or like the non-phone chat customer service type jobs. I am sharing multiple different job leads in today's video, and they're all going to be non-phone. One does require a degree, but I think the rest of them do not. Of course, we're going to dive all in. I just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads or job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And of course, the goal of this channel is always just to help everyone find the best work from home job that fits them. So please, if you know somebody who could benefit from these, share with all your friends and family. But with that being said, first up, we have the company Anthology. They have 422 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. Anthology is looking for a live chat customer service advisor. Now, this is mainly going to be non-phone, doing the website chats and inquiries, but you may have to do a little bit of phone work with this one. I do want to point out too, it's lower paying on the pay scale, so it might not be for everyone, but if you're like on Social Security or you have other situations in your life where you're just trying to make a little bit of extra money, this might be for you. But they are a company that is in the education space. They're helping student success by bringing virtualized support and technology-enabled solutions to the world's most progressive institutions. So what you're going to be doing is working these website chats and web-based inquiries, resolving end-user inquiries using multiple different technologies. You'll provide complete and accurate information to the customers on every live chat interaction you're on, researching account activity and notes promptly and efficiently, just handling and resolving situations that come up with that customer in a timely and effective manner. You're going to respond to all inbound chats, assisting management with the entire shift and any other special projects that management needs. Now, while they do say a college degree or some level of college completed is preferred, it is not required. They are looking for somebody who can pass a typing speed test and type at least 50 words per minute, someone who has a high school diploma or GED and at least 18 years or older. Of course, you've got to have 1 year of some kind of customer service experience and reside in an approved state. Now, their approved states are listed all the way down at the bottom, and pay for this position is $12 an hour. Moving right along though, if you're more into the data entry, I just want to type space, this next one might be for you. The company Firstsource Solutions, I cannot talk today, has 2,800 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for somebody to do data entry. Now, their primary task is going to be to load new business and group-wide changes into their enrollment system. So you're going to be doing this data entry for health insurance information into their enrollment systems, updating the members' health insurance information during open enrollment. You'll be responsible for handling those enrollment applications, processing the enrollments and disenrollments if people don't want to change or don't want to re-enroll in the same insurance. You're going to enter and update review data and records, all of that. Now, what they're looking for is somebody who has strong attention to detail, a high school diploma, and basic knowledge of computers with great written and verbal skills, but that is it. Now, as far as salary goes, unfortunately, they did not list pay in their job description. Please remember, I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. But now these data entry, there's several different data entry operator salaries from people who have previously worked with them doing data entry listed. Some salaries range from $29,000 to $41,000. Another one is $31,000 to $46,000. Another one is $29,000 to $39,000. So it is a little bit on the lower paying scale. About $15 an hour is where I would probably guesstimate this. Next up though, we have another data entry position for you, Aspen Surgical. Now they only have 26 reviews on Glassdoor, so please always do your own research on any companies before giving them any of your personal information. They do have a 3.3 out of 5 star rating. This is going to be a temporary position, but they are looking for a data entry clerk, and this does say it is a virtual position. But they're basically looking for somebody to accurately enter alphanumeric data into their ERP system from source documents, ensuring a high level of attention to detail. So what that means is you're going to have a document, maybe a PDF or something that you're looking at, and you're going to have to take information, read it from that document, and enter it into their computer system, just basically transferring the information. You're going to conduct regular reviews of the data you've entered to identify and rectify any errors or discrepancies. You'll organize and maintain the physical or electronic documents related to your data entry task, just meeting and exceeding all data entry deadlines that are set. Now, again, they don't require any kind of college degree either, just a high school diploma or GED and 1 to 3 years of data entry experience. They do want somebody who understands ERP systems or data entry software, somebody who has strong attention to detail and the ability to manage large volumes of data. Of course, you've got to be somebody who can meet those deadlines. Unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. But if you're looking for a non-phone type position that is not exactly just data entry, maybe repetitive task of looking at a document and entering data, looking at a document and entering data is not for you, maybe this next one might be. The company is Coalfire. They have 315 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They're looking for an order processing specialist. This is going to be remote for the United States. Now, Coalfire is in the cybersecurity space. So they are looking for somebody to be a member of their Coalfire data and order management team, doing the whole order processing life cycle. So you're going to assure efficient, organized, timely, complete, and effective service of those order processes. This means you're going to review contracts, you're going to review that Salesforce data and any internal documentation, making sure it's consistent and accurate. You'll execute those contracts and help document and train on current processes. You'll help with contract retention, so keeping the customers that are under contract, keeping them loyal, and keeping them re-signing their contracts. You're going to partner with the sales team to resolve any outstanding order requirements and just participate in any meetings as needed. Now, this one is going to require a bachelor degree or equivalent combination of education and work experience, at least 2 years of contract review experience, and 2 years of Salesforce experience. You got to have great organizational skills, great communication skills, and be self-motivated. But now pay for this position is anywhere from $40,000 a year all the way up to $69,000 a year. Of course, that's going to be based on your location and experience. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for sitting through all of my rambling. Don't forget, you can leave anything specific that you're looking for down below in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind. Please, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.